If you manage a business or group that needs to schedule appointments with people, you know how difficult it can be trying to keep your calendar running smoothly. As the requests come in, identifying scheduling conflicts and managing staff availability can make it feel like it could all break down at any moment. With Microsoft Bookings, you can book appointments and manage your entire team schedule with confidence. Microsoft Bookings can be used on desktop or mobile devices by downloading it from the Office 365 portal or your device's app store. When initially launched, you'll want to enter some information about your business or service. You can change this information later and even set up multiple businesses to manage from within your Bookings account. Once your business is created, you will be brought to a homepage. There will be a navigation panel with some categories to help you manage your bookings. If you're getting started, you'll probably want to enter a little more of your business information. Here, you may add any details you like, such as your logo, hours, contact information, and more. Whether you're working by yourself or with a team of people, you'll need to give your team members profiles so customers can book time with them. The staff page is where you can add new staff members and view or edit existing ones. You can click on the names of existing staff members to customize their names, hours of availability, contact information, notification settings, and more. Next, you will want to let customers know what kind of services or appointments they can schedule with your team. When you add a service, you can give it a name and description and assign which staff members are available for that service. You can also give it a default location, duration, price, and set a buffer time between appointments so customers can't schedule you too tightly. Finally, you can customize more detailed settings like email reminders and publishing options, and you can override some of your regular settings just for this service. With your business, staff, and services set up, it's time to publish and share your booking site so customers can begin scheduling appointments with your team. When you publish a site, it is built into Office 365, so you can share a link on social media or websites. That will allow customers to book your services. You can customize your bookings page with a color theme and adjust settings to control which customers can book with you, the time frame within which they can book services, and add important information and notifications. When you're finished, click Save and Publish. Your team will receive links to the newly published bookings page, as well as options to share it on social media. The Connect to Facebook button will post your booking site on your personal Facebook page and is therefore not recommended. Once your site is published, customers can use it to book services or appointments with your staff. After they book a service or appointment, customers will get an email confirmation, and you and your staff will be notified according to your notification settings. If you need to contact a customer, you can quickly view a list of all the customers who have ever booked with you under the Customers Navigation tab to view the contact information they've provided. Scheduled bookings are viewable from the calendar by assigned staff. The calendar will observe conflicts for users in Office 365 with Outlook calendars. Administrators can create new bookings manually and assign time off for a staff member using the buttons at the top. Your staff can view or modify the calendar according to the role they've been assigned in their staff profile pages. Administrators are able to view and modify all bookings. Staff, set as viewers, can see the bookings but cannot modify them. And staff, set as guests, can only receive booking notifications. You should now be all set up and ready to begin scheduling appointments. If you need help, contact AskIT at askit@uab.edu or by calling 205-996-5555.